Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video, we are going to pit two budget offerings from Realme in a speed test against each other, the Realme 2 Pro and Realme U1. The Realme U1 is powered by best-in-class budget processor from MediaTek, the Helio p70 with 3GB of RAM. On the other hand, Realme 2 Pro is powered by underclock version of Snapdragon 660 processor with 4GB of RAM. Both phones run the latest version of software available by the time this video was recorded. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. While you are down there, enter our Amazon gift card giveaway. Let's kick things off with a boot up test. Realme U1 took just 20 seconds to boot up, whereas Realme 2 Pro took 22 seconds to get things up and running. Both phones are connected to the same wireless network and all backgrounding apps have been cleared. Let's start the timer. First off, let me open some system-based apps on both phones. When opening basic apps like Phone, Settings, Instagram, both phones were neck on neck and took the same time to load the apps. Even though Realme 2 Pro has an underclock version of Snapdragon 660, it managed to load games a tad bit faster than Realme U1, which has the latest MediaTek Helio p70 processor. This provided added advantage to Realme 2 Pro in the first round, which took 84 seconds to finish the speed test round, whereas Realme U1 took 88 seconds to finish the first round. In the second round, we will draw apps in reverse order to check the RAM management capabilities of both phones. This is where Realme U1's performance takes a hit as the phone managed to keep just 3 apps in memory and started reloading all apps from start. On the other hand, Realme 2 Pro managed to keep most of the apps in memory and cruise the second round in just 35 seconds. You can notice occasional shutters while switching between apps on Realme U1. As the phone suffers from terrible RAM management issues, it took 78 seconds to finish the second round. The winner of the speed test is our budget speed test champ, the Realme 2 Pro. I feel Realme should optimize the software to take full advantage of Helio p70 and offer better performance on Realme U1. So what do you guys think about Realme U1's performance against Realme 2 Pro? Share your thoughts on the comment section. If you guys do like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.